Why you have not been paying your bills? Huh? To run the water consumption scheme, my lord. But the an unauthorized society, my lord, disconnected the water supply. We have approached the PAC, my lord, as well as the police authority, but they have not done anything, my lord. Tomorrow? Today, sell, my lord. This is water connection. The second one is, my lord, my lord, with that. The second one is, my lord. Tomorrow. Second one tomorrow.
My lord, I pray for listening of IA tomorrow, my lord. Lordship had passed the status quo order for which the audit process is actually stopped, my lord. Can be taken up. Deeply on.
Lordship, in item number 38, we have filed an additional affidavit that may be called for now.
Okay. Lordship, documents item number 20 and 21. 20 and 21, yeah. Matter is taken up after vacation. Immediately after. What is this matter about? Regarding settlement of a fishery over the Port Island. Who's for the respondent? Have you informed him? Yes. You have informed him? Yes. Okay, right. On the prayer of the parties, on the prayer made by the petitioner's council, list the matter after the vacation. Date made on 7. Huh? You were date. 17. Okay.
May please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 15 and the 24, your lordship.
Yes.
I have taken the consent from both the parties, your lordship.
Yes.
My humble prayer maladies may kindly be listed after vacation, your lordship.
On the
Item number 15
on
and
the
54.
prayer made by Mr.
AC.
AC
Yes.
for the petitioner,
Respondent, your lordship.
for the
case.
respondent. Have you taken the consent
Yes.
of the other side?
Yes, consent from both the
Who
parties.
submits that he has taken the consent of the other side? List the matter after verification. So no settlement has been made in that arbitration matter?
Not yet. I'll be filing the affidavit of important cases for
Lordship,
I- 24.
interim.
In item 24, interim order to continue till the meeting.
Obliged.
I have this matter may be listed for motion tomorrow, my lord.
Lordship, I pray for listing of a writ petition filed on Friday for motion tomorrow.
I beg to mention for listing one motion maker. Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. Okay, no problem.
Please, your lordship, I beg to mention for adjournment of a matter, item number 10, lordship. My senior is having some personal difficulties, lordship. So after vacation, it may be listed.
No stay order is there, no?
No, item 10.
Item 10. On the, let me see this item 10. Okay, right. On the prayer made by the petitioner's council, this is the matter after the vacation. Right.
Document for listing for fresh writ petition on Friday. With regard to cancellation of people.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Wait, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 16 for adjournment, your lordship. On behalf of SP Talukdar, your lordship.
On the prayer for adjournment made by Mr. S.K. Talukdar, it is not objected to by the other side. This is the matter after the vacation.
Applied.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the prior consent of the other side, I would beg to mention item number 12 matter. My lord, I pay for some accommodation for today matter.
No. Show me item 12. Yes, supply of articles in 22 attended, probably the instructors also, call your senior. We take it up.
What your mention item number 15 and 19 euro.
Huh?
15 and 19 euro.
15 and 19.
18 and 19.
18 and 19, yes. What?
accommodation for a failure lordship. I've taken consent to the.
I waiting for the department. I have no objection because my affidavit is
And that's it. Yeah, yeah.
I am only just praying for a date.
Here for respondent number.
Video date.
So you have not filed any affidavit.
My affidavit is set.
Pending, correct.
It's almost ready, Lord.
Okay.
We are sending it.
Right, a general prayer has been made by Mr.
And Gautam.
N.
And Gautam, my lord.
Gautam for, you know, your name is not here. On behalf of Mr. K. Chaudhary.
Lord.
Then it's counsel for the petition. As the affidavit of the PWD has not been filed, prayers allowed, this is the matter after the vacation.
After the interim order.
What date?
Not because.
What date do you want?
On 23rd, Lord.
23rd.
There is an interim order operating.
Interim order to continue till the next.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a matter for motion tomorrow, Lordship. Matter.
Thank you, Lordship. I pray for listing a matter for motion, Lordship, for tomorrow. Obliged.
Thank you, Lordship. My item number 13 and 14, I on behalf of a talukdar, I consent the other side, my lord, this matter may be after vacation.
Okay, right. On the prayer made on behalf of Ms. A. Talukdar. Matters adjourned for 3 weeks.
Obliged. 13 and 14, my.
13.
But I have the motion matter, my lord, tomorrow, my.
Mr.
My lord, therefore, the.
Your name is Mr. A. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petition, says that he may be allowed to withdraw. Submits that he has received instructions. What a district matter and sir. Submits that the matter has become infectious and he'd like to withdraw the writ petition. Mr. S. Data appeals for the PNRD department. The prayer of the petition counsel is allowed. The writ petition is dismissed as infectious.
It's contemplating, my lord, page 9A, 9B, my lord, this is ethnic.
No time limit given. Where's the time limit?
My lord.
Where's the contempt?
My
Where's the
lord,
time limit?
Page 11, my lord.
Where's the,
10 years will not pay. My lord, page 11.
no, when was the order passed?
Yeah.
What does the order say?
Page 11 and 12, my lord.
It's the council, 10 years bill not paid. When did you file your writ petition? After how many years?
My lord, 22, they have part payment. And then they assures that next budget will go.
Whether, no,
Page,
when,
page
now-
4,
now you're suddenly in a hurry.
Page 11.
There's no time limit given. Time limit is given over.
but there is a reference, it could be expeditious less possible. Page 11, para 4. That is the reason. And then page, my lord, 7, para 7, the category.
Okay, right. Third, Mr.
MJ board.
M.J. Barwal, then counsel for the petitioner who submits that the order dated 13th of 23 passed in WPC 3140/23 requiring the respondent to pay the contractual bills of the petition has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post hearing within 2 days. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, in this matter, I haven't received instructions, Lordship. I'll file an affidavit.
We'll issue notice. There's no point putting it there.
So motion is to file.
Huh?
On 15/5.
I don't know why it
so
has come
motion-
again in.
Should have been declared.
Oh, yeah, right. Mr. A. Kalita, learned counsel for the
Industrial commerce.
Industry and Commerce Department submits that he has not received instructions and prays for further time. Prayers allowed. As notice of motion has already been issued on the last what date? Registry to list this matter in the admission column. This is the matter after the vacation.
My lord, in this matter, our affidavit is ready and sent for vetting, madam. You know, matter will come up after 2 weeks.
Out here also, why did it come for motion? I don't.
Lordship, there was an order, passed by your lordship on, 29/5, lordship,
Uh,
to
consider the interim prayer, Lordship, today, Lordship. Lordship may kindly see last line
Yes,
of the
yes.
order. Yes, my lord, our affidavit is ready.
Okay, affidavit.
Send for waiting.
Okay, so affidavit is ready.
Lordship, I am without livelihood,
No, wait, we'll see. You've got some, you've got some
Without-
cheating case against you.
without even
Right.
issuing notice, Lordship. My lord,
Heard,
kindly-
Mr.
kindly-
G. Bokaile, learned counsel for the petition. To submit that the affidavit is ready and will be filed when?
Within 2 weeks, sir.
What will it do? If it's ready, file it today, tomorrow.
No, our send for waiting, my lord.
Submit that the affidavit has been sent for vetting. He submits that the same will be filed within 10 days. Pusta. Accordingly, release this matter on give a date, first 17. Release the matter on 17. Release this matter on 17 for release this matter on 17 in the admission column. As notice has already been issued in the last question. The prayer for stay will be considered on the basis of materials on record if no affidavit is filed by the respondent by the next week.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, the petitioner is the lessee of the government fishery, my lord. The fishery in question, my lord, is the registered fishery, my lord, and which has been duly, my lord, settled with me. Kindly see page, my lord, 40. Again, the same fishery, my lord, has been given in, has been embedded notice in tender, my lord, by the executive officer.
Where?
Roll number 7.
Where?
My lord, page 40, my lord.
Yes, page 40.
Page 40, my lord.
Yes,
This is the settlement order in my favor, my lord.
yes.
And then, my lord, kindly see page 42.
Where are you?
My lord,
Where is your fishery name?
fishery named, my lord. Doktin Shalmara, my lord. Bhangamor.
Page 41.
My lord. 40, my lord. 40.
Serial number 1.
Say number 1. Dakshin Salmara. This is the fishery.
No, my lord. Fishery
This,
name is,
this
my
is
lord.
the petitioner.
Petitioner, my lord.
Where is the fishery name?
Fishery name, my lord, page 40, my lord. Here, the proposal for settlement of 389 Bhangamore bills in Jiram Part 1 and Part 2.
Okay.
And then, my lord, next page, my lord, page 42, my lord.
Yeah.
This is the taking over of fishery, my lord. Certificate of
then-
handling and
then-
page 42.
Yes, then.
And then, my lord, now executive officer, my lord, has issued NIT against the same fishery, my lord. That is government fishery. Page, my lord, 48.
Issued by respondent number?
Resolution number 7 and 8, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for the department, Panchayat department, I am appearing, my lord. My lord, it's visibly, my lord, names are different, my lord.
Huh?
Names of the fisheries are different, my lord.
No, my lord, they have
So there are some factual dispute, my lord, whether claim of the petitioner that it is the same bill, some dispute is there. So if the bill is the same, my lord, then we, the executive officer, don't have any right.
Correct.
So we have to see, my lord,
My lord,
whether
they
it is a different or.
Correct.
They have renamed. Little bit says, my lord, is there in the name, my lord.
I don't know. Who will verify this? Who will, the circle officer or?
Officer is the best.
Huh? Yes, yes.
Dear Lord, I am writing from the EKCS from the record that P. 89 Bhangamore bill Jingram Part 1 and Part 2 has been settled at 60% government fishery as per proposal submitted by DC South Number Kalmara, High Data number 20 in the light of Honorable Guwahati High Court order dated 11/10/2023 in WPC number 573 2023. Another petition is there.
Page 32,
Government
page
accordingly
32.
issued order for settlement of the paid fishery as employed under rule 12 of the operating court is in the meantime. It is seen from the content of the exception as the jurisdiction of the areas under Ratnabari Part 1 and other areas is under Dhui district as per the report of the circular of Mr. Salmara, and consequently the jurisdiction of 389 Bhangamore which is under the Dhammavat AP and Dhuburi district as such ATRs are allowed to run by the lessee on payment of revenue. In view of the matter may be applied to the honorable court that the government secretary is not competent to decide whether the ATR of dispute is under duty or not.
So what is he saying? That the fishery that has been settled with the petitioner, partly is in Dhubri and partly is in another district or what?
Not it.
Huh?
Dispute regarding jurisdiction, Lord.
Huh.
They are not competent. And
So who is the competent authority?
deputy com-
Of,
deputy commissioner can give.
of which district?
The joint surveys, joint
Joint
survey.
survey, joint survey.
Joint survey by the deputy commissioner of both the districts.
For the dispute. Whereas the disputes are there, my lord, so we cannot say right now.
Are both the deputy commissioners present?
My
Yeah.
lord, deputy commissioner was present in a second round of litigation, my lord. Question was there for long, 3 years, 4 years, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, there's a question here, whether, so one is South
Only
Salmara
as for
district,
number 5, my lord.
and five is there, but what about Dhubri?
Well, kindly see page 44, my lord.
I said, do it, sorry, 6.
Or 6, yes.
Well, kindly see page 44, my lord.
5 and 6.
Well, kindly see page 44. My settlement order was challenged by one who was allotted by the same officer, my lord, executive officer. My settlement was challenged, my lord. Page 44. But this honorable court did not pass any interim order, my lord.
Anyway, we'll take let them take a decision. This is a factual dispute. Whether the fishery is settled with you only lies in one district or the other, we do not know.
My lord.
We cannot decide, neither can you decide. So let the DCs of both the districts make a joint report, joint verification, and make a report. In the meantime, the tender may carry on, but no settlement should be.
But my lord, that's also pending.
No, we will resolve them, all of them. Heard, Mr.
AF and U Molla.
There is counsel for the petitioner who said to submit that the 3/89 Banga More Jingiram Part 1 and Part 2 fishery in South Salmara, Mankachar district was settled with the petitioner society for a period of 7 years in terms of with effect from
By order dated 1/2/2024.
wide order dated 1/2/2024 issued by
Issued by the, my lord, secretary, respondent number 4.
respondent number 4. Good stuff. The petitioner's grievance is that the respondents number 7 and 8 have published NIT
Dated nil, my lord.
dated nil for settlement of the same fishery
Same fishery.
by giving it a different name. Good stuff. Next para. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the PNRD, and Mr. P. Pathan, P. Sharma for the Fishery Department. Good stuff. They submit that. There is a dispute with regard to whether the fishery settled with the petitioner lies entirely within South Salmara Mankachar district or within Dhubri district. Good stuff. Next.
That's the order, proposal subsequent, not subsequent.
Anyway, issue notice. Then you write next. Who accepts notice? Mr. S. Datta accepts notice on behalf of response number
3, 7 and 8.
3, 7 and 8. While Mr. P. Sharma accepts notice on behalf of response number
1, 4. 1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Mr. G. Bokalial accepts notice on behalf of response number
5 and 6 and
5 and 6 and
9.
9. So everyone is represented? Okay. Next. On considering the issues raised by the parties, it is clear that a joint verification has to be made by the district commissioner of South Salmara, Mankachar district and Dhubri district. to clarify whether the fishery, to clarify whether 3/89 Banga More Jingiram Part 1 and Part 2 fishery, which has been settled with the petitioner, overlaps with the Airkata Bridge, Moira Kuchi Part 1 Jingiram fishery, that's a page 48, which has been published in the NIT dated nil by the respondents number 7 and 8. 7 for settlement, for fresh settlement. Further, whether the fisheries, the above two fisheries, whether the above two fisheries, whether 3/89 Banga More Jinjiram Part 1 and Part 2 fishery lies solely within South Salmara Mankachar district, or whether it also lies partly in Dhubri district. Full stop. Similar report has to be made with regard to the Ayarkata Bridge, Moira Kuchi Part 1 Jinjiram fishery. To find out whether a part of it lies in South Salmara Mankachar district also, besides being in Dhubri district. The Mr. G, you have to do it now, Mr. Bokaila. Mr. G. Bokaila shall obtain instructions in this regard by the next day. And the respondents number 5 and 6 or their representative should make a spot verification within a period of 2 weeks. Within a period of 2 weeks. A period of 3 weeks. 3 weeks. And give a report with regard to the above. This is the matter on 23rd July. In the interim, no settlement of the Ayrakata fishery page 48 should be made pursuant to the NIT dated bill issued by the respondent number 7. List this matter along with 573 2003 23 and
Interim may be till the next returnable date.
okay, that final settlement till the next returnable date.
Obliged.
Money. Yeah, so we notice, Mr.
Answer.
Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submit that the petitioner's contractual bill.
Yes.
Amounting to rupees 22, 26,000 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. N. Upadhyay accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. This is a matter after 4 weeks. To enable the respondents to file affidavit.
Obliged.
May I please, madam? This matter relates to non-payment of our outstanding.
So notice,
Yes, sir.
heard Mr. S.K. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the contractual bill of rupees 62,47,160 has not been paid. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Mr. G.K. Bhattacharya,
All that.
Accept.
all the respondents,
Finance file, respond.
Sorry.
for all the respondents except for number 2, which is represented by Miss R.M. Barwa. This is a matter after 4 weeks to enable the respondents to file their affidavit.
May I please the lord?
Where is the order?
Lord, they are page 24, my lord, annex 4. Completely behind my back, my lord. Even the copy of the complaint had not been furnished to me. No inquiry report has
Is
been.
interfering in the official work.
My lord, it is an allegation, my lord. And secondly, my lord, the inquiry which has been conducted, no opportunity to present my case before the inquiry officer was provided. Secondly, my lord, even they have said that they have received some complaint. Copy of the complaint has also not been furnished, my lord. My lord, the Registration Act, section 74 is very clear, my lord. I have quoted that provision. My lord can find it, my lord, at page 9.
What does it say?
The registrar is empowered to cancel the license of any deed writer who is guilty of the disobedience of a lawful order or of any other impropriety.
Who had appointed you as a deed
Lord,
writer?
The district, my license, my lord, can find, my lord, is at page, the deputy commissioner, my lord.
So if the deputy commissioner is the authority, can he appoint?
Yes, my lord, no, he can,
Show me the law where he can appoint. If you say
my lord.
that only the registrar can dismiss your, can cancel your license.
My lord, deputy commissioner is also holding the, district registrar come deputy commissioner, he is holding the dual charge under the registration act, my lord.
Okay, so there's nothing
He's
wrong then.
He is empowered, my lord.
He's empowered. Then
Empowered.
why you doing it?
So, my lord, as this is in complete violation of the principle of natural justice, my lord. So, at least, my lord, this is the only source of my income. From last, my lord, kindly see the 12th of November 2012, I am working. And the license has been renewed up to 31/12/2024, my lord, is at page 19. My lord, there is no blemish on my part, my lord. Some complaint has been, if somebody can ask me, my lord, then,
You were asked to appear before him
yes, my lord, I
on
have.
18/5/24. Did you
Yes.
appear before him?
Yes, my lord. I have appeared and present my case also. But
Then?
thereafter, my lord. If my lord.
Where is the
kindly see-
question of violation of principles of natural
No, my
justice?
lord, while they have, my lord, asked me to appear, when I appear, my lord, the copy of the complaint or the inquiry which has been conducted, my lord, in that proceeding, my lord, I have not been allowed to present my case, my lord. This is a completely arbitrary act, my lord, on the part of the authority, my lord.
Then we'll ask them to take a fresh, we'll ask you to,
My lord.
yes, you give him you give him the thing. You
They
give
will
him
give
the
me an
inquiry
opportunity
report.
of hearing, my lord.
Or what do we do? Obtain instructions, but you'll never obtain instructions. Will you say?
I have the deed writer.
Item?
Yes, where we are supposed to file affidavit, then for waiting. This is similar matter, my lord, and here,
No, that was a different case. Out there, he had got a criminal case registered against him in a police station.
Right.
That is on a different footing. Out here, it's different.
my lord, here also is page 25, my lord, there are some misconduct, my lord.
That is correct, but misconduct, he needs, you see, that's not a similar matter. In one case, you have got a police case, and one case you have got, say, not obeying the superior or something. That's a different issue. That's a completely different issue. Why don't you apply your thing, your mind to it? It is a completely different issue. It's not similar at all. Out here, the simple thing is that he's interfering in the official work of the sub-registrar. That's the complaint. Now, the only thing is that whether notice was given to him. One thing is that he has been given opportunity of hearing, that's clear. Only thing I want to know is whether he was given a copy of the inquiry report.
We'll take instruction of in this regard.
Yeah. Let him take instructions on the
Fine.
next day with. Heard Mr. A.R. Buyan, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner was issued a deed writer license by the district commissioner on 12/11/2012. However, by order dated 30/05/2024, the deed writer's license issued to the petitioner was cancelled under section 14(7) of the Indian Registration Act, 1900. The petitioner's grievance is that no notice was issued to the petitioner. No notice or the inquiry report made on the basis of which he has been on the basis of which his license had been cancelled, has not been furnished to the petition. Full stop. Next part. On perusing the writ petition, it appears that the petitioner was given an opportunity of hearing by the deputy commissioner. Full stop. The only issue is whether the petitioner was given
By the
a
executive,
copy of the the only issue is whether any inquiry report had been made in writing on the basis of which the petitioner's license has been cancelled, and whether the said inquiry report, if any, had been furnished to the petitioner prior to the impugned order being issued. Mr. G. Bapale shall obtain instructions with regard to the same. List the matter on 15,
19th,
huh?
19th, my lord,
19th or
19,
19th July,
19 July, as of 15 July,
March.
huh?
19th, sir. 15th is opening day.
So you got 2 weeks before that.
March.
And this is a matter on 19 July.
Apply.
Yes, Your Lordship, I have applied for additional load, electricity load. Then accordingly, in response to my application, estimate has been prepared. As directed, I have deposited the amount and all testing of the materials and test report has been submitted. But the connection has not yet been.
Right, Mr.
Armageddon.
R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is having a stone crusher unit
Yes,
in the name of MS Bholanath Stone Crusher. So he submits that the petitioner had applied for being given an additional load
additional load of
of electricity to run his stone crushing unit. In this respect, the petitioner has paid all the required sum of money demanded by the APDCL, and all the procedures have been followed. Full stop. However, the APDCL has till date not given the petitioner the additional road paid for. Full stop. Mr. B. Chowdhury submits, counsel for the APDCL submits that he will obtain instructions with regard to the same. Full stop. 126. Anyone else is there?
Yes, there is a block that was respondent number 7.
Okay, for the APDCL bracket respond number 126. 126. Block development officer is not required. Anyway, right. Then you right.
There is a can.
Huh?
Because of the NOC, Bharat, these are only oral instructions. I'm not going to rely on them. They are yet to provide us the NOCs from the Gram Panchayat. For that reason.
for electricity.
And my lord,
Everything
is page 13. They say their assertion is that they are running a stone crusher unit. That sanction letter is valid till 31st December 2020. Page 13.
Your Lordship,
Where is
what
that?
I
Where is
hear
that?
regarding.
Yes, sir, where?
Page 13, my lord. Point number 7.
Yes,
Page 13 of the petition.
yes, yes.
Whether that they are still running it, my lord, is the question.
Page 13.
Yes, my 1-3.
Huh.
1-3 of the petition.
Yes, yes.
Initial
This is the permission for installation of a stone crusher unit. This is valid till 31st December 2020.
Where do you get that?
My lord, 7. Point number 7.
Ah. Yes,
No, Your Lordship. What the APDCL has to do with it. Regarding renewal, Your Lordship, in other institutions directed, Your Lordship will remember. Owner,
No, you see, now you see, one thing is this, in here, first of all, the permission for running the stone factory unit ended in the year 2022. Where is the renewal of the permit
renewal is on the process, your lordship.
process?
Yes,
So you get the renewal.
your lordship,
Statement is the repetition.
Where is that? Where is that?
no, your lordship,
Where is it in your writ petition?
it has not been stated, your lordship. Then your lordship, kindly see,
Okay, so what have I said?
may something, one line, your lord.
Acha, before that, you just write issue notice returnable in 4 weeks. Then you say Mr. Then you put him, huh? Then you say, who appears for his point number 7? Mr. K. Gogoi appears for his point number 7. Accept notice on behalf of his point number 7. Then you write. Annexure 1 of the writ petition is the permission given to the petitioner on 9/11/22 for installation of the stone factory unit. This is only for installation, Mr. Council, it's not for running.
Your lordship, you wait, madam. The permit is valid for calendar year 30, ending up to 31st December. But if they're running it, madam, they should accept so, because the stone cutter has to get its.
9/11/22, and the permit is valid only up to 31/12/2020. It doesn't make sense. The petitioner. The petitioner shall submit the document showing that permission has been granted to run the stone factory unit as on date
Your lord,
by the ministry.
your lordship, may I point one? Hadn't been allowed, the technical sanction for additional loan is of 10/1/2024. They have made a technical assessment, and as per technical.
No, that may be all right. That is all right. Who has to give you the permission to run the thing? The stone factory unit?
It is in forest department, your lord.
So has the forest department given you,
There is
where is the permission to run the stone factory unit as on today?
Your lordship, there was an order passed by your lordship. And
You give me that order on the next date.
It is-
This is the matter after 4 weeks.
your lordship pendency no board, your lord. They can.
You give me that. If you had given me that, I would have given you a very good order.
Here is it, your lordship, everything has been completed.
Unfortunately, it's all coming from your mouth. Nothing is there here in your pleading. Your submission has to be based on your pleading.
Because I thought that this regarding the,
We'll take it up tomorrow if you want. You bring the document.
this is under process there.
Ah.
The petitioner's technical bid was not accepted on the ground that power of attorney of the similar order has been passed. Is covered by order passed by your lordship in WPC 3166/24.
Yes, that is also.
Is what it did. So this was passed by whom?
By your lord.
No.
By
This
the-
bid was issued by whom? Bid
By
was
the-
submitted by whom? By the
bid was submitted by the
constituent member, by the constituent member.
partner.
Partner means constituent member.
Yes. So therefore, my lord, the question of providing power of attorney doesn't arise in view of the.
Okay, right.
On the same ground, that I have given the order copy, my lord.
I've got it here also. I was prepared. When I read it last night, I said, oh, this matter I disposed of today.
Indicate their letter, today's letter.
Is the same tender?
Same.
Same tender.
Otherwise, just indicate today.
Okay, right, fine. Heard Mr. B.D. Das, learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K. Gogoi, learned PGC appearing for all the response. Yeah. What is the joint venture? Acha, this one. I'll have to change it. MS MVVS dash T K R J B. Between MS. It was submitted by whom? Submitted by the Sri MBB Satyanarayan. One of the managing partners. He is one of the managing partners. Of the constituent member. Yes. Oh. Okay, it should be Mr. It's correct wrong. Instead of MS, should be Mr. That should be corrected. Call that fellow. Call Anupam. Letter dated. These are 25. Oxidation or representation of the same done repeated. Okay, in the same it is a pair for Vista, not an because it is therefore. Okay, this is different. This is a different thing. It's not like yesterday. It's not like. So nothing indicates that it is different. The rejection of the it is not clear. Yesterday's extract was supposed to produce before your loss. But here it was in the form of Gmail, now it is in the form of. No, but the wording is different. The contents are different. The contents are different. Where are we? Which? Okay, taking that on. No, okay.
172 is the Gmail.
Okay, just write para six, huh? Mr. K. Gogoi, learned PGC has submitted letter dated 25/6/2024, issued by the chief engineer bracket CON dash V, comma, NF Railway, comma, Maligaon, which is to the effect that once a joint venture is formed, comma, the identity of individual members cease to exist for matters related to the joint venture. As such, one member of the joint venture cannot act on their own without the consent of the other members of the JV, of the joint venture. Full stop. The consent of all members of the joint venture is communicated through power of attorney agreed upon by all the constituting members. Full stop. As such, even if a joint venture itself is participating, comma, the power of attorney is required in favor of the person signing the bill. That's all. Okay, paraphrase to that. Then you continue, huh, that letter. The letter dated 25/6/2024, issued by the chief engineer, is made a part of the report and marked as an X. Okay. Then everything will be same. Then here also the same. Only 6 will be changed. Good stuff. Then para 12, we just continue. A, huh? A. In view of the above, comma, this court is of the view that the interpretation of Appendix 2, para 1.4, not para, clause 1.4 by the chief engineer in his letter dated 25/6/2020 is not correct. Acha, that aware of that is made a part of the report. No need to say that. It's okay. Okay, that's all. I hope they have not selected till now. Have they selected? No. Not selected. Otherwise, online.
My lord, last official, my lord, your lordship has dictated that in para 4 of the affidavit, was said there was no document for me running the plywood industry. My fearing the writ petition is not against that stay order or the stoppage of my plywood industry. My prayer in the writ petition is this: I have filed an application for a license and other to the due process. If they can consider why they have keep it pending, that is there. But in their affidavit, if there are provisions where they have stated in page, your lordship will find in the affidavit,
It starts at page,
No, let me see your prayer.
my prayer is, my lord, to expedite the licensing procedure. Your lordship will find issue necessary license permission in favor of the petitioner for concerning the sawmill. And the next page,
But how are you running a sawmill
no,
without?
no, they have
without-
stopped it. I am not against that. They have closed it. They have stopped that planning, that shop. I got some, your lordship may look into this document at page 11. Annexure
Yes,
A.
what is your case? He says that you have not considered it.
Forest department is the concerned department. Okay, I don't know much. I don't know.
Only thing that on the due procedure, they
No,
will.
no, let them come. Let the forest department come. Where is it? Huh? Let me see what the party.
Forest number 3 is there. Secretary is the government of Assam. 2 and 3 is there.
No, your case is that the petitioner running the sawmill as per rules and regulations.
But that has been stopped, man. I am not against that stoppage of that. My prayer is that to issue me that license. They are delaying them. I should have said this for setting aside that stoppage order. I have not prayed for that. Nowhere in my petition, in my prayer is there. In their affidavit in page, they have stated page 9, the orders of the government, and the mallet at page 19, the orders of the governor, where I can place my application for grant of license. Page 19 is there.
Yes, madam. Okay, name. Okay, right. You're a forest department council also. Okay. Miss M. Karita submits that as the forest department's council's names were not reflected in the positive. She was unaware of the listing of this case today. Accordingly, in this matter after the vacation, the registry to reflect SC forest in the cause list. This is the matter on.
I agree with the workshop, Mr. Ranet, Mr. M. Hussain, lake in the another case.
Huh?
Lake in the another case.
Leg in the other leg and body is where? Where is body?
Another court.
Body is another court. Yes, so he's on legs.
My lord,
Item, this item?
Item 9. My lord, I am filing affidavit today, my lord.
Okay.
I have raised, the state is raising dispute discussion of tax here, my lord. These are the issues we have.
Okay, Mr. Dinar, Mr. Ardhar, Learned Council for the
WPT, this private effect, my lord.
Huh?
Private effect.
Tribal Affairs. Respondents number?
My lord, 2 and 4, my lord.
Respondent number 2 for submit that affidavit
We are filing.
will be filed today.
Today.
Accordingly, leave this matter after the application. Give a date.
Obliged.
Miss G. This is with regard to that, with regard to this, suspending the mobile internet connectivity during the examinations held in 22. Fine. That is not relevant anymore. I appear to be infracted. I don't know what to do. Where is this council, Miss G. Goswami? G. Goswami. Is there and, Miss B. Chowdhury. Ms. P. Chowdhury. I think he's infructuous. No, this matter was heard with G. Goswami, assisted by P. Chowdhury. So this matter is regard to the suspending the mobile internet connectivity during examination hours in 2022. So that was challenge. We are infructuous, no? So we told it as infructuous. Ms. P. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter has become infructuous. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous. I know that particular date only, yes. You couldn't appear.
I have received the telephonic inspection from the Directorate, my lord, agriculture. The matter is with the instructor.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I find.
My lord, one back, everything over.
Everything I know,
Payment
22,
given.
it's a supply of items, material.
Payment
Infructuous, correct.
Yes, my lord, it may be closed.
Mr.
T.H. Coleman.
Why did you ask for adjournment then in the morning?
My lord, I didn't have the instruction.
You didn't have the instruction. The senior gave you now.
Yes.
Okay, right. Mr.
T.H. Coleman.
Page Kowar appearing on behalf of Mr.
Mr. S. Bhatt.
S. Thakur and Ms. For the petitioner and Mr. Ardhar for the and all the respondents submits that the matter has become infructuous. The writ petition is accordingly dismissed as infructuous.
My lord, here I have two-fold inspection. I'm just taking it to the doctor. Last is that, my lord, there was a direction to come.
Some more money.
That, my lord, we have, we put only 1 lakh, my lord, today.
Something is better than nothing.
3 lakhs we have deposited earlier, my lord, with the registry, my lord. That is a.
So, Mr. Counsel, one thing. You have got another 2 months.
No, my lord, here is the problem, my lord. Now, I have got the proper inspection. There is a conflict and there is little issues, well, that is why, my lord. The problem is that, my lord, actually, they did not supply the goods to us. It is true. We have some, we give granting aid to some 30 plus development council. They have given to one Madahi development council, my lord. So, my lord, we are not a party in this case. We are not disputing the thing, my lord. But the thing is that the proposal has to come from them, my lord. So we give every council 33 lakhs per year, my lord, a granting aid. That is what we stated. Even we have informed them, the chairman of the council. So they have also, my lord, in the instruction, it is there in the second page, my lord, that they have earmarked and we will do it. So we have asked them to give us a proposal, my lord. Once they give us proposal, the director will send it to the government, it will go to finance, it will come back. So, my lord, minimum for doing this thing, my lord, 4 months is required, my lord. Because, and since they are not a party in this case, the council, my lord, that is becoming, means we are doing it by ourselves. If they are not a party in this case, it will be more easier for us.
But then the supply orders were issued by you.
My lord, on the recommendation of them, my lord.
So what? Who's bothered whether it was the recommendation of the Prime Minister of America or whatever?
No, my lord.
Or not a
No,
President of America? How does it matter? You are the one who gave the order.
no, my lord, it matters. Was, my lord, that budget, my lord, budgetary provision, my lord, we have to take the money from their budget.
Then you take it. That is between you and them. Not nothing. She has got nothing to do with it.
My lord, do that, my lord. They have to give a proposal.
That that is your internal issue. That is nothing to do with the petitioner. Nothing to do with the petitioner.
That is what, my lord. No, we are doing it. It is not that we are not doing.
That is something internal. That is nothing to do with the
My
petitioner.
lord, my prayer is, my lord, I have given written inspection today, my lord, to your office. We are not.
We'll tell them to come here and give us the definite thing. It's not like this, Mr. Counsel.
My lord,
You what?
this
You
is not,
see-
my lord, this is a writ petition, my lord, dispose the matter.
No, why should I? Unless you give us specific, you're changing your stand as you go along.
No, my lord, that last time, my lord, just I made a submission, that was not even a written instruction, my lord.
Then,
And my lord just recorded, my lord. I said, no, we will try to.
we have to record what you say. Why not? You're a council. What? If a council makes a submission, we are supposed to not record it.
That, my lord, whatever this code is directing, my lord, we are doing it, my lord. 3 lakhs, my lord, there was a direction.
Uh,
Okay.
uh.
Then, my lord, so we got it, my lord.
You take instructions
My lord,
from, when are they going to pay?
my lord, it is there, my lord.
Uh.
My lord, I spoke, my lord, we need to complete this whole thing, we need 4 months time.
No, it says there 3 months. This letter says 3 months. Please read on the last line. In view of the above, you are requested to. No, first page.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, dispose the matter will be there 3 months, my lord, from today.
Okay, within 3 months,
My lord,
yeah, you'll get the 1 lakh also will give it. So this is to be given where? By you.
he can
You
take
give it now. And
he can take it or else direct, I will let him.
you give it and let us sign. Or
Uh,
what?
Letter, my lord will pass a direction that he has accepted the thing in the open court, my lord.
Positive with that register, my lord.
Register. Register. Right.
My lord, the problem is that, my lord, in 3 months time, one check get, my lord, this check will become invalid. Again, there is a problem. We have deposited one check. I think almost 1.5 months gone in that way.
They're not taken.
They haven't taken, my lord.
My
If they
lord,
don't take, my lord,
actually,
then
the
that will
manager
become
and the
another problem for us.
They
Huh?
are not in the state, they have gone outside the state for business purposes. They'll collect the check within 10 minutes.
Post only for 3 months.
It's okay. If they don't collect, they don't collect. What is their problem? They don't collect, they don't collect. Okay, right.
I will submit it.
Heard Miss N. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. R. Jha, Learned Counsel for the Tribal Affairs, bracket Plain Department. Pushpa. The grievance of the petitioner is that due to there is that on completion of the supply work given to the petitioner under the scheme of inverted commas distribution of grant indicative items under procurement and supply. It is at order dated 13/3/2023. Para 2. That's all. Comma. The respondent were to disburse a sum of rupees 12,63,605 to the petitioner. As the same was not being done, the petitioner filed the present case. On 29/5/2024, Mr. R. Dhar has got a check for payment of rupees 3 lakh to the petitioner, which he was allowed to submit before the registry. Which was allowed to be submitted, Mr. R. Dhar submits that the said check has been submitted with the registry. And in this regard, he has submitted an acknowledgement letter dated 30/05/2024, issued by. No, this is not your, this is your. And in this, where is it? So this say he has submitted with the on 30/5/0 on 30/05/2024. Next para. This court by order dated 29/5/2024 had also recorded that the fact, had also recorded the statement, the submission made by Mr. Ardar that the respondents would pay the balance amount of rupees 9,58,333 within 3 months from 29/5/2020. Next part. No, continue. The order also stated that some amount should also be paid to the petitioner within 1 month. Puspa. Next para. Today, Mr. Ardar has brought check number 426527 dated 25/06/2024. Will this count? There's where it's overwriting that thing is there. I don't think the bank will accept. We have been too cunning, I think. Yeah, official. Now, let's see the proof, the date, 2024. So should we ask them to come or you'll bring another check tomorrow?
I haven't noticed.
Ah, good, sir.
I'll
Yeah.
do it for Friday.
That's right, just remake the thing. Today, Mr. Azhar has brought a check number 426527 dated 25/06/2024. 2004 for rupees 1 lakh payable to the petitioner. Oh, sir. The zero in the year 2004 has been cancelled and another letter has been written. Another letter has been, another number has been given. Another number bracket, inverted commas, 2 has been given, comma, by way of a black pen. While all the other notings are in a blue pen. I don't like this playing around, really. Next, Mr. Ardar submits that he will produce another check in lieu of the present check, which has an overriding. Which has an overwriting with respect to the number 0. Next para. Mr. Ardar has also submitted letter number DTA/MDC/148/2023-24/28 dated 24/6/2023, which states that which states that which requests Mr. Ardhar to seek 3 months' time for payment of pending liabilities to the petitioner. Next para. On the prayer of Mr. Ardhar, leaves the matter on
Friday, madam.
Friday.
I will get the check. Pilot, which is, pilot, run, mistake pilot.
You bring it. The letter dated 24/6/23 issued by the Director Tribal Affairs in Assam is made a part of the report and marked as an exhibit.
So the director, yes, the time told me, he's in a, but he's calling me for this check, that I will send.
Or written.
He told me site for.
So, whatever I said, the last one. Okay, the check also is returned to the petition, is returned to Mr. Arga.
My lord, in this matter, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. My lord, on the previous day of hearing, the court gave us 4 weeks of time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition. We have filed the affidavit in reply. Uh, my lord, in this present case, shall I just give a short brief about the facts?
It depends upon you. You want to give short brief or long brief? I don't know. Brief
My lord,
means what?
My lord, in this case, all the petitioner applied for the government tender or issued by the Food Corporation of India, dated 7 July.
Who is for the FCI?
Pounds, not the-
Yes, what is this matter?
So they file affidavit in reply, we need to file petition the affidavit.
Agenda?
They generate the affidavit in reply, some new facts they have brought in. So department wants to clarify those two
Additional affidavit.
additional affidavit. After vacation,
You have brought in some new facts, they say.
My lord, already already all of them are written in the mentioned in the writ petition already.
Anyway, he wants to clarify some points. Let him clarify.
My lord, it
after 3 weeks, my lord.
Huh?
After 3 weeks.
You're right. Mr. BKC, Learned Counsel for the FCI is granted 3 weeks time to file.
My lord, if you can,
Additional affidavit to the affidavit in reply made by the petitioner.
my lord, if you can provide a date,
This is the matter on, give a date.
much obliged.
Mr. Lordship. My lord, Mr. B. Gogoi is appearing for this matter.
Huh?
Mr. B. Gogoi is appearing for this matter. This is on late report number 1.
Until sometime.
My lord, we
Huh?
have received our paragraphs comment.
Let's see, parallel.
My lord.
You have for respondent number
1 and 2, my lord. PW
1 and 2.
on behalf of B. Gogoi.
Okay, Mr.
H. Gogoi.
H. Barua appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi submits that para-white comments have been received. From the respondents number 1 and 2. So stop. Is accordingly granted 2 weeks time. My lord, to file affidavit in opposition. This is the matter for the case.
Obliged, my lord.
No one appears for the petition on top. This is the matter after the petition.
These meetings are completed. Whether can be fixed or getting.
On 16 admission hearing, wanted the finally.
On the prayer of the parties, the council for the parties submit that meetings are complete. And they pray that the matter may be listed on 16th.
On admission hearing,
List the matter on 16th
as admission hearing.
for admission. Yeah.
The motors are there.
So we tell him orders to continue till the next.
I'm be clear. Same. 27 is same.
No one appears for the petition, list the matter of the case.
FIR was lost.
Where is the FIR? Okay, this is the FIR.
This is the
We can close the matter.
Yes. I have talked to my client, they have talked to the bank, bank said, okay, we'll process it.
Okay. I heard Mr. R. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. J. Khataniar for the respondents number 3, 4, and 5. Who appears?
For 2 and 6.
Mr. H. Ali appears for respondents number 2 and 6. For 1,
Your lordship, one was the erstwhile secretary, he's not there anymore.
okay, that's all right. So you take this, you take the last order only, last order, para, then in this para 1, you just have to add Mr. H. Ali Appear. 1, 2, 3. Then number 4 also. Number 4, then number 5, you write. Mr. Who is already here?
Narayan Fort.
Number 5, you write. Mr. R. Sinha submit that as a copy of the FIR dated 20/06/2024 submitted by the Director, Secondary Education, Assam, to the OC Bagadata Pur Police Station, Kahili Para, has been furnished to him. The matter can be closed. Accordingly, in view of the submission made by the counsel for the parties, the writ petition stands closed.
Contempt petition.
The contempt petition stands closed.
Deeply obliged.
So at last you got it.
Sorry, in item number 28 is lordship. Yes, first one.
Ajahn, after vacation,
My name may be reflected in the order, your lordship. MH
item 28, what is,
MH Luxor.
Mr. Ramesh Laskar appears for the petition.
I have filed 4 amended course title.
Huh?
I have filed amended course title. Reflected, there is something number 2. It was completed new information.
So,
Notice may be issued, my lord.
notice. Right, heard Mr.
A borrow.
A. Borola, counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice to the newly impeded respondent number 2.
Yes.
Why is the amended cost title not here?
Page number 2.
Huh?
Page number.
No, it's not here.
Step like tag is there. That's page one.
Okay. Petitioner takes steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post within 2 days. List the matter after 4 weeks. Returnable in 4 weeks.
Sorry, Mr. Item number 25. The lordship has fixed it after vacation. The lordship will record my name.
Huh?
Record my name.
Mr.
Because
B. Kaushik appears for the petition.
Great.
Everyone.
Lordship, updating instructions are awaited, so.
Mr. L. Oda is given a further 3 weeks time to obtain instructions. This is the matter after 3 weeks.
And Lordship, contempt number 3 has been retired, so. it has-
In this one,
Yes.
he further submits that respondent number 3 is retired. What do you want? Date. Give a date.
So in item number 32, for respondent number 1 and 2, I prefer 2 weeks time.
Mr. Dinath appearing for respondent number 1 and 2. Who else?
For 14.
Filing anything?
Yes, I have complaint.
Okay. And who else? You have filed?
For number one, for one here.
Okay. You have filed. Mr. Dinath appearing for respondent number 2 is 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This is the matter of 2. Okay, you're right. No one appeared for the petitioner, huh?
Lordship, in this matter, there is a stay.
Huh?
In this matter, there is a stay in the division bench.
Yes, stay. This is a contempt. This is a contempt case. What's the order can be there?
Lordship, kindly come to page number 31. There are,
You want?
there's an operating portion.
Yes,
There are 33, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, in view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, and also taking into account the public interest involved, the incident with petitioner allowed by directing the respondent railways to review the exercise of evolution of the bid of the petitioner number 1 in the matter indicated above, and by taking the antecedents of the proprietorship firm properly till 13/2/2020, since it was mandated by the petitioner that in such a case, the petitioner number 1 would make the bid capacity if the aforesaid contention.
So what do you want, madam? This matter has come up for the second time.
Come up after.
Huh?
Come up after.
On the prayer of the petitioner, this is the matter of the petition.
The order has already been complied with.
Order. Mr.
M. Mohan.
M. Monso, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the order dated 29/3/22 passed in WPC 632 of 22 has been complied. According to the contempt petition, cancelled.
In the next case also order.
Huh?
In the next item also the order.
Same order,
A different order.
different order. Just give me the order. Same thing except it will be out there.
638.
Order dated 29/3/22 passed in 6/3/82/22.
My lord, kindly pay this the last order dated six
Yes.
20.
Is it still pending?
Yes, ma'am. And no retaping is pending. And kindly pay this the last order 6/3/2020.
Yes, yes.
The order sheet reflected censure. It was submitted by censure. However, the learned standing council has however placed before this court copy of the order dated 21/12.
No, first which one are you reading?
Yes, ma'am. And the second page, second paragraph.
Order dated
6/3.
Okay, yes.
The learned standing council has however placed before this court copy of the order dated 21/12/2023 passed in WA 468 of 2023. The said writ appeal has been prepared by the private respondent in the writ petition and was on the list between the private respondent and the writ petitioner. The appeal has nothing to do with the observation made by this court and the direction made in the paragraph 37 of the judgment requiring registration of suo motu contempt proceeding. The submission made by Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel on the last occasion does not appear to be a correct submission. Be that as it may, and in the interest of justice, Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel is granted 3 weeks time to file reply to the notice received by the respondent in this proceeding. So thereafter the matter has not been listed.
It was listed on 2/4/24. Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the.
They took time, madam. Until today, they have not preferred any appeal or
No, Mr. Gogoi is for what? He's for the petitioner,
For the contempt that,
for the contender. You're for whom?
I'm for Guwahati Good Minded.
Ah.
But I,
That is why I was confused.
my lordship, I understand. I understand. Because my habit, my lord, to send the,
Bad habit.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone gets confused. I think you're there. What now? What's going on? I was thinking. I thought maybe D Gogoi was this side. So what is to be done?
Lord, our reply has been prepared, Lord. We had sent it.
Okay. Mr.
I bought the.
I Botaku, appearing for
D Gogoi.
D Gogoi, appearing on behalf of Mr. D Gogoi, learned counsel for the respondent number
One.
one.
Sorry.
Submits that the reply affidavit is being, submits that the affidavit is being prepared. Accordingly, list this matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, immediately after vacation, they have taken much time. But they have had or three weeks.
I said now this 24. No, before. Wait.
Registry may be directed to so many.
Right, we just need to reflect the name of Mr. G. Baisha in the public. G. Baisha for the counsel for the petitioner in the public. Yes, what is this?
May I please Lordship, this contempt was filed for a violation of order dated 24/01/2024, Your Lordship, and passed in the WPC number 7368 of 2023. And extra one, page number 10, Your Lordship.
Madam, there is no, you see, notice was issued
Yes, Lord.
on 25. So, should we wait for some more time? Just a month has passed, that's all. Okay, wait, right, office note dated 24/6/2024 shows that notice was issued to the respondent on 20/05/2020. Accordingly, await service report. This is a matter after vacation. Or you want to take justice service?
Your Lordship, we have taken the steps and notification.
Accordingly, await a service report. Accordingly, not to say that, accordingly, leave this matter after vacation.
Well, the up-to-date petition we have brought on record by filing an affidavit. It is on record. The affidavit.
What is to be done?
But now the process is stopped because of the model code of conduct. 2 months, I have seen no progress of that. Now, at page 193, paragraph 3, we have stated. Let me keep it out of focus of information.
Right, no one appeared for the petition on call accordingly. Leave this matter fast.
I am on behalf of Vikas Prasad.
On behalf of?
Vikas Prasad. Mr. P. Prasad, he appears for the petition.
Okay, where is he?
He is in the hospital.
Oh, so after vacation? Adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. B. Prasad, and counsel for the petitioner, who is in hospital. This is the matter after the vacation. Okay. Unlisted, we've got unlisted. That's not here. Yeah, as soon as you start, tell me.